Heyo, this is E of the crystal system, obviously. Um, okay. Live chats. Um, okay. So what was out before, after I ended the stream, I actually redid a bit of the graphics on here. If we go to res, I made this background basically, which I want to show just because I think it looks really good. I made this background and basically, yeah, it looks like an official background, right? Like, it has a package installer in like the side. I thought was pretty cool. Yeah, I made this background. Have the PDN file here, pixel the PDN. I and it consists of like a couple of so it consists of the first thing is it has turn all this off. It looks completely different if you turn this off. So this is this background, which is a this is a background of that was on the video but isn't anymore. So this was removed from the console. But if I and then I put this on with an OVA, so it looks like package install, and then I did a bit of touch ups with these basically. Yeah, and that's how I got this essentially. Also, the icon, someone complained that the icon looked terrible on BSTV, so I actually went and remade the entire package installer icon, like this, and then recolored it that way, and it looks so much better. So, yeah. Hello, I'm Yeezy. Okay, so I just want to show that new out and whatever, but also, we have new music. This is probably also temporary because it doesn't actually sound that good. Like, yeah, got music, but yeah. Okay, so I wanted to actually get to making a decent package files now, which doesn't sound too hard. Okay, it actually does kind of sound a bit hard, but still. Okay. There you go. So all of this code for running the menus and whatever. Okay, so we found out for one that for some reason, like the main menu, requires an extra argument. I don't know why. I'm gonna change this text to like Sony. Just because people probably won't know what fake package install actually is. So that's actually the name of it. I'm going to put style symbol in as well. So yeah, start Sony package installer. Launch. Sony package installer launch. Installing PDM package on PDM free package. Package PDM slash FPK fake package. Like, I want this to also be. I guess it's kind of a given because every fake package is MPDM free. Again, pick up both MPDM bind and MPDM free. I guess this will have to do for now. Okay. So, yeah, draw select file. Do select file. So, I understand it's like you can kind of select what files you want. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to main, right? Void install by install free packages. It's easier. Install free packages. right? Int selected equals -1. File one selected equals select file. And then the thing is child folder output extension max size. So the output is max path, I guess. Okay, so max path, and that should not be, that should be in here. That's in the wrong place. So that should be here. And then do select file. So it's folder output extension max size. What's max size? Oh, like the max file size of. Right. Okay. So put so so package. I guess I'm gonna like actually have code. I'm actually gonna like type that somewhere. FPKG like find package description like KG install duplication to the Excel right. Just so I can specify PKG install duplication instead, and it's like better. I'm not gonna do that here too. Yeah. I think I asked you 1,000 times as I think that's in like microseconds or something. I don't know. Princess, are you on stream? Can you tell me how tunnel delay thread works? Is it microseconds, 3 seconds? I don't know. FPKG install location. Honestly, instead of putting this in FPKGH, instead of putting this in FPKGH, I'm actually gonna put it in. I'm just gonna put it here. C++ is not C++ is crazy. This isn't C++. This is just C. This is just C. This is not C++. Okay. Menu C. So then output. So I guess. And then the max size. To the. Okay. Oh, you went 42. Sorry, you went 64. Okay. So then you just get the output folder, right? So like inside of select free package. Free package. Okay, so we do select file of this location, and then I guess then we would like go to a section actually installing it, but I think we're gonna get that. So right, I believe that's how it works. You just do that. And then once more here, we'll call this. The issue I can see of this is that this will like go on the stack. So I mean that might be what you want. I don't know. It means that if you were to phone from this function, you'd end up back in here. Which might actually be needed like a go-to. Like okay, we could have a programming language developers please note this down. We could have a way to call a function where you don't care about being able to return back. So just jump here. Like I don't think I need to be able to return back. I think that's just a waste of memory, but whatever. Okay. Is that how that works? Is it like .pkg? Is that actually like how that works? So do sort get folders in get files in folder. And then process menu is also a file. Right. And then okay, so how does get files in folder actually work? Is that an I that's an IoT, right? Get files in folder. So what does the filter like? There's a filter. So there's a filter. Um, match extension is not equal to style. Max file size. Um, file only. Yeah, that's what I want. And then match extension. Okay, so just check the just check the end of the name for the extension. So I could write pkg or I could write just .pkg. I'm gonna write just .pkg. It's easier to understand. Okay. So in theory now, I click on handle mpdm free package. It should open up the other menu. Let me grab my video. It's kind of far away. Um, okay. um, select. Okay, so TV there. TV. Um, what was this called again? Package. Okay. Not used. What is not used? Oh, I guess selected. Oh, yeah, I said that. No, I don't use it. Okay. 2168. Um, 88.3. Okay. Build. Um, real package installer. Okay. Real package installer. Where is that? I've got so much stuff on my fucking guy on my fucking home screen. It's like ridiculous. Um, that'd be yourself too. I use MSys for video SDK. I used it way back in the day, and I just never like stopped using it. It's kind of funny. Like, it doesn't even tell you how to use MSys to install video SDK anymore, but I still use it. I still use it. Oh, I fixed the template XML as well. I got that to work. Okay, well I kicked it, and my video froze. I kicked it, and my console froze. Um. Okay. Why did that happen? Okay, okay. I need to look at PS Vita. Uh, It's somewhere. Oh, the Soviet piece. Yeah, net debug your whatever. This. Okay, it is huh. So what's the issue? Oh, the phone is empty. Yeah, the phone was empty, so that's why. Okay, that's a bug. It shouldn't crash if the phone was empty. That's probably a bug in even the PSP emo DRM. Right, and it's in GC toolkit. It's probably even a bug in GC toolkit, right? Because same thing probably happens if the phone was empty. But okay. Let's pop a package in and see if it works then. Let's get a few. Let's get both decent. Yeah, let's try to fix that at the same time. So if there's no if there's no folders at all, right? Oh, then it returns -2. Oh, so it's supposed to handle that here. So if selected equals -2, and then what? What do I have to do that? Like a show error, show confirmation message. Right, okay, I can do that. Yeah, okay. Show confirmation message. Oh, so a do confirmation message. Yes, do confirm message. Uh, error. Um, error. No file. There were no AD file. Um, you know, PG. Um, yeah, that's not a format. That's just a message. That's annoying. Do I make one that does a format? uh, um, I don't actually. Okay, so let's try. Uh, why isn't that working? Oh, um, SN, VAR, like MSG, size of MSG, and VAR is that was that right? And then message, type MSG. Guess I can't call that MSG. EXT. Right, right. Yeah, and then yeah, that should work, right? Yeah, I think that would work. Um, just I don't know how to actually do like dot 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 in C, but I think this will work. It's going to menu H. Um, App menu H. Yes, in menu H, this needs to be you. Also, I don't know why I'm missing this in the communities. Okay, so I think now I can use do confirm message format with this. I think that works, right? Let me try some syntax. See. I don't know. I'm gonna hope that works. Cause yeah, that's cool. Okay. Honestly, I'm tempted to just do it this way. Just go up. This is like a trick. If you want to do video development, this is like a neat trick you can do. You can go to the actual app folder, which I believe is PKGI, um, PKGI 0031 or something. I don't remember. RPKG 0031, right? You can just go here and just copy ebook in, right? And it's like way faster than just reinstalling the app. It's not gonna change any of your other assets, so like, that works. Okay, yes, there is a list of packages here, but they're actually bigger than the text box, which, okay. Um, Speaking of the text box, I actually want to make that bigger. Like, I want to make the message box with the stuff in it a bit bigger. I want to kind of cover the whole screen. Was either that or I was gonna add like icons. I think I'm gonna make it cover the whole screen. Honestly, so whereas like this menu over here, I want it to be bigger. What's 544 minus 20? 524. Okay, I want it to be 524 wide. 524. And 960 minus 20 is 940. Okay, so it must be 940. Oh, that's backwards. 4, 5, 4 minus 20 equals 520. 524. So 524 and 920 is height. Not quite what I wanted. Not quite what I had in mind. Okay. Uh, let me resize it. Instead of doing it, we do canvas size. So 5 and 60 minus 20, 940. So 940. And then 544 minus 20 equals 524. So 524. Alright, I'm just gonna put that. I'm gonna put this in like a top right. Okay. And now, this is like how to see what actually feels into add a background. If I can turn off afterwards. Okay. So there. Up to there. I want to extend that out. Okay. And now I just want to take this bottom part. Move that straight down. Is this wrong? Because on this tool is already pretty close to the bottom. Wait, am I doing this wrong? Am I doing it backwards? I think I might have done that backwards. Because this is taller than it. It should be wider than that. My specs are shit. Okay. Okay. Alright, wrong part. Okay, that's correct. Okay, okay. Do, 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 do. Okay, cool. That should do it. And now I just turn this off. And I save that. As a pinch. Okay. And how big is this image? It's 940 by 524. So if I now head over to, if it was draw.h, where is this defined? So 940 by 524. That should, if I code things correctly, that should just fix everything automatically. So there is one thing, I suppose, and that is like a few of these are limited, right? So inside here, like inside draw title, not draw title, inside menu, let's see. So in menu.c, so yeah, here I've got this thing where it's like 15s. This can be like way higher. This can be like 80. Then that's probably like not even younger. It's an honestly 2% s. Like my tile is not going to be younger than the entire screen, like most CIP, right? That's not going to be a thing. So I would maybe like 100. Okay, well this has a limit of 128 characters anyway. Right? So there's a limit of 128 characters anyway, which honestly is a bit short, but whatever. It's unlikely that the folder will be longer anyway, so I got it, whatever. Okay. Right. Honestly, and in many cases where this is like an issue, I think. Okay, that should just work then. I guess the only part where like, I had a limited size because of the limited size of the thing, which shouldn't be an issue anymore because I just made it bigger. But yeah, so. And this is a case where you would have to reinstall the entire app, or at least copy the new file into the app folder, which is what I'm actually gonna do. So app, you can just open res inside the app, right? And just swap this, and then okay. I wish you could see my video, but that's kind of hard to set up. So okay, so it kind of works, except I'm an idiot. I should have thought of this. But the entire image, okay. So the entire image is already padded forward by 20 pixels. So when I calculate the exactly 20 pixels, yes, it now fills all the way to the end of the screen. It doesn't make like a nice window looking thing. So I need to move 20 pixels up and 20 pixels down in both directions in order to make this look nice again. So yeah, oops, that's a bad color. That's also like any color other than black looks weird, I guess. Okay. So I need to move this 20 pixels up and 20 pixels down, which is kind of silly, but I knew that. It's I should have known that. One, two, three, four. Wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then the same this way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna hope that was right. I mean, I kind of just guesstimated, but like, oh, that's 20. Wait, no, that's extending forward way too much. Okay, 10, 19. Oh, it's actually one off. That's 20. Is this 20 as well? Yes. Okay, cool. Okay. Now let's crop to selection and turn this off again. And this is 920 by 504. So 504 was actually correct the whole time. I figured this out correctly the first time I did it. Who could have seen that one coming? Draw.h. I need draw.h. Here it is. Okay. 502. Right. 504. And then 920. Okay. No UDCD. I suppose I could. I could UDCD. The issue is my mouse and my keyboard. I only have two USB ports, and my mouse and my keyboard both plugged into them. Unfortunately, that's kind of like the issue, though. I could do it though. You're right. I could UDC this, but yeah. I keep clicking on button. I need to click on this and take ebook bin and drop it in. If I had another USB port, I would. It still looks wrong. Oh, I know why it looks wrong. Because I forgot to update the fucking image. I forgot to copy the new image over, like a freaking genius. That's why it looks bad, still. No? What? Oh, I never saved it. Maybe it would be good to see the FDSC the video, because it'd be like see like me failing this like 4 times in a row. Okay. So now yeah, I got just the packages. Okay, that's cool. And if there isn't any packages, because that was a bug before, if there was 0 files in the folder, then package M, for instance, then it should just show an error saying there's no files in the folder. No, it crashes the whole program again. What? Why? Okay, it's yes and 0, total 5. Okay, so it's probably yes and 0, but not -2. Okay. Return. Go back, I guess. Another thing is that this whole selected thing is cool and all. It has like that brackets pointing to the option when it's selected, but I kind of want to do more. Where was that done? Draw text center. Draw option. Oh yeah, here it is. This is where that's done. So it could be cool to have like Kyle, right? Kyle equals like int Kyle equals Kyle white. So I guess default. You can do that in C, right? I think you can do that in C. And then like selected question mark Kyle blue or Kyle red, right? And then Kyle white. Like maybe? Kyle red undefined. What? Where was Kyle white defined then? Oh, Kyle white's. Oh, okay. I'm defining it here. Okay, that makes sense. That seems weird. Why is white 251 251? Shouldn't it be 255 255 255? Kyle red would just be like is that like the right red? What red do I want? FF 00 FF. That'll give me pink. Okay. And then where was draw C? Oh, that's the wrong folder. Draw.c. Okay. Color white, color red. And it's gonna draw text. Which is actually using draw text center. I suppose this would also be out of. And then draw text like color. Right? Now it should be red if it's like selected, and if it's not red, if it's not selected, then it's white. Maybe. Too many functions to augment draw center. Oh right, because I have to also pop this in draw H, don't I? Draw text center. You can do this, right? I'm not like dumb. Like this isn't just a C++ thing. Like I'm pretty sure you can do this. No, maybe you can. Can you not do this? I thought you could do that. Whatever. I'll just add function specifically for it then. Draw text Kyle. And then in Kyle. Right. Okay. Count you can. There must be a C++ thing, because I swear I do that in like SnowPME in like so many cases. Okay. Rid of that. Your text underscore Kyle, right? And then in Kyle, and then pop that in there. Now this one is literally the exact same code, but it has a Kyle. And like, kind of wish I was using C++ now, because I could just do that. But okay. Here's an idea. Int get x, get text x, right? And then chow message field size and no, not even field size, just like message and I think that's it. I think that's all I need, right? And then just all that, and then return text x. Now it's just a matter of like, yeah, now I can just get rid of this. So it'll be the same every time. And now I can use draw text Kyle for this one. Draw text center x. I thought that at top. Let's do separate so it's easier to file, because this is like, it's hard to tell what that's. Okay. Bam. Without the Kyle. Okay, cool. So now we have functions for doing of Kyle. Awesome. I think. Yeah, we do. Okay. Cool. So now I can use Kyle for this. Not there. Still in draw C. Right? And now I can use draw text center Kyle. So now if it's selected, it can be red, and if it's not selected, it can be white. Oh, come on, what's wrong now? Configuring types for previous decoration was here, draw text Kyle. Draw text, oh, it needs X, And X, Y, MSG Kyle, X, Y, MSG, and Y, MSG Kyle, Y, MSG. What? why is it confused? Draw text X, Y, MSG, draw text center X, Y, MSG, okay. Draw text center, draw texture center, Y, texture, okay. Draw text center Kyle, Y, MSG Kyle, draw text Kyle, oh, this needs X, okay. And I'll put my underneath these two. So, yeah. Okay. Too few arguments to draw text title. What do you mean? Oh, right, the title isn't included. Right. Draw text title. Oh, I'm using it here too in draw text center. Ah. Expected semicolon before quote on menu H. 10. I want a semicolon there, and I also want one here. Makes sense. Okay. Build. Eboot bin. Okay. Copy. Paste. Yes. Okay, so it should now, if it's selected, be red. If it's not selected, be white, which is much cooler than what I was doing, I think. Yes. Okay, that works. So is the arrows, but it has also now a different color. There were no PKG files found in %S. Brilliant, this works amazing. Oh, that's why. TXT, MSG, it's like MSG and then VABs, right? Okay. Good then. Yes. Okay, copying. Okay. Seems to work. Yeah, it says the actual folder name now instead of %S, which is good. Okay. So now I need to create the package folder again, and okay, so now I have 2 package files. That's cool. Let's actually set this to start like 100 instead. They use 110. Okay, I'll use 110 as well. Well, let's see. It's actually 300. Basically, this is like where it starts. Okay. Honestly, the color here is kind of hard to see. I might want like a brighter red, like a FF50 FF. 255 128 255 0 50 90 80 I don't know 100. Yeah, I'm gonna go with like orange instead. If I said that if I said both of these 255, what do I get then? I get EIO. Right, makes sense. Okay. 100. Yeah, maybe. Looks a bit better, possibly. What I honestly would want is I want to like change colors over time, but I don't think I can do that for this is written. I think this is written so if we like, yeah, this is written so it like waits through the pusher key and then draws again. So like that wouldn't actually be possible with the way my menu currently works. Okay, so you choose a file and then it needs to decrypt the file and extract it, right? And that's like the how part. Void do package script shout out title shout out package right, and then it's also like int draw package decrypts int style selected int style window, and then shell package uint 32 key progress, or like I need to use like draw progress. There is a draw progress barrel function in here. I made one. I draw progress barrel, yeah, done, and then total. So that's cool. That's what I want to use. Draw progress barrel done. Yeah, they're both uint64. So that's I guess I thought. uint64 done. uint64 total. Okay. And then like this. You know, this should honestly also be like a format title. Honestly, this should be like a format title thing inside menu H. Okay. VARs, draw title, format. Yeah, okay. That shouldn't even be in here. That should be inside menu C, like directly. Okay, and then here I can just now just do that with this and this. Perfect. Okay. Draw, end draw, and then when I do do confirmation message, it's just draw text center being used there, so that's cool. Draw title format, you know, expand package, %s, blah, 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 right, and then package. Okay, expand package, %s, right, so, well, doesn't package installer have, like, a spelling error inside it, like, on an expand package, or is that, like, not a thing? I remember that being a thing. I remember being, like, a spelling error. It would be funny to replicate the spelling error, but, guess not. Okay, expand package, %s, package, is the title, and then, like, you know, I guess, like, how does package installer do it, actually? If I open package installer, like, the official package installer, fake package installer, I have to connect content manager in order to even look at that. Of course I do. I want to see what it has its title set to. I want to just copy its title. I want to basically make it look like how official package installer would do it, but then like my own code doing it instead. Okay, QCMA. So there's like expand packages in the middle, and then there's the progress bar underneath. I don't remember what like the title is when it does that. So install. Okay, the title is literally just the package name. And then expand package, and then the title text, the progress bar underneath. Okay, that's simple enough. How do they get progress bar on promoting anyway? Like promote is like not something that has a progress bar. I wonder how they do that. Okay, so I'm gonna make this like installing package. It doesn't actually say this on like I'm making my own title source or whatever. And then draw title, and then draw text X, right? Draw text center. What was it again? Select a. I'm actually gonna change. I can do this, right? Select a. I guess I can't. Okay, installing package -s draw text center. So what was it? Draw text center 200. 200. You know. I guess I want draw text format as well, right? Honestly, I can just use draw format. Actually, I can just make draw format, right? Hang on. Define draw format. Format ... format func format dot, right? And then I can just do, like, I'm smart, I can just do this. So then I can do like this, right? And then func txt, right? Like, I think? No. Actually, I don't think that will work, because not everything has one, it only works if it has one argument. Okay, that's annoying. Draw text center format. Format there. Okay, what is draw text center? It's got Y and then, alright, okay, so Y and then format, and then it's just there's a draw text center, like Y txt, right? Yeah. Define formats, I guess. Format dot. I guess I also can do this, like have this as like its own thing. So it's as simple as just you know, formats txt format, like format txt ca house, right? And then like I can just use that in everywhere instead. Like, yeah, I think that works, right? It saves me having to write like this 100 times. Also, I might make this bigger. 128 is too big. 256. Right, okay, so now I can just use this instead of that, and I can like, do this in a bunch of pieces. Okay. Draw text center format. And then it's gonna be like, you know, expand package percentage s, right? And then package semicolon, right? And then underneath that would be the progress bar, which is draw progress bar here. Draw progress bar 230 done total, right? And that would be the drawing part, and then you'd have like in another thread, you'd start the actual decryption, right? And then you update total and done while it does. Or you'd use a callback. Either way, like it would. Okay, so it's just for testing. For testing, it's process menu. Honestly, this doesn't need selecting all window and not selecting anything in here. Yeah. So yeah, I mean you just draw package decrypt. You know, package. And let's just take 100 out of 1,000. Or 100 out of 50 out of 100, so it should be like 50% done. And let's see how that looks. Do you intentionally not use do while zero statement for macros? I never thought of doing that. This works just as well, I think. I don't even bother on this one. This one's just straight up in here. Like, it doesn't even have anything around it to create a scope. Which is potentially bad, but also, I don't know. It works. Color red undefined. Right. I ended up using color orange. Right. The function draw package, you can control which end of non-void function without a return. I guess this should be a void. This is already made nicer than GC Toolkit, where I just use S7 printf like a whole bunch of times. Like here I'm using it again for selecting files, and again this is probably too long. It's probably too short of like a restriction. I don't want to go too long because I know you can have like really long file names, especially if packages. So like maybe 80 or like 90. Honestly, I'm gonna leave it at like 80. I'm gonna see where it is, and if it becomes a problem, then like whatever. I'll make it 50. Okay. I mean, it's already limited by the max path, to be fair. Okay, build. Okay. Oh right. Hang on. I'm dumb. I did the dumb. I forgot to actually call this once it's like done. Void install handle install package or whatever. Honestly, normally I do it this way. Actually, I just like call inside here. Like I'd like else break or whatever, and then like another one like while one. Like I could do it that way, or I can just do it this way. Void handle select handle install package child package, right? And then like this would like eventually also like run code to actually decrypt the package and then have this as like a callback, and then once that's done it like exits out of this whole thing. But yeah. Anyway. Else I guess while like selected essence, because if you select something then like yeah. I think and then a handle install package output, right? Your current solution of defined foo breaks if one foo else wow. I mean, yeah, but I'm also not using that. I'm also not gonna write code like that anywhere in here, so like whatever. Draw package decrypt. Oh right, not draw package decrypt. Sorry. Do package decrypts. Right. Yeah, do package decrypt is what I want. Int do package decrypt. Is that an int? No, it's a void. Okay, void do package decrypt. You know, chow style package. Why did that just die horribly? Oh, there's no semicolon. Okay, and then menu C should call main C should call do package decrypt, not draw package decrypt. That's only for drawing. Okay. To be nice, I'll fix all these for you. Like yeah, like I don't think I'm not likely to actually use it the way you just said, but like I suppose. This one's only gonna be used within this one, so like I want that to be like that. I don't want this to be like a second one, but yeah. I think all of these are used within this one. Window size can be bigger now actually because this is like Yaojo, right? Like the image is Yaojo, so it's the size of the whole window like box is Yaojo. Actually, no, it isn't because this is only vertical, so it's actually the same size. Yeah, it's only on vertical, so yeah, that's actually the same size. Okay, I made it a bit nicer. Add opt. I guess these last ones shouldn't have quotes, so you can end the semicolon yourself. Yeah. There you go. I added your stupid do whiles. Okay. Happy now? Oh, cool! It broke everything by doing that. Okay, cool. I won't do it then. Because those weren't scopes. Like I relied on those not. I think I relied on those not being scopes in like a few cases. Like I'm pretty sure I relied on this not having a scope around it. Why did I even do it? I should have just yes, it was working fine. This is what I get for trying to do things properly. There we go. I should have just done it. I should have just done it incorrectly. Doing it properly breaks it. Apparently. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I rely on the fact it doesn't have a scope and like a complete like I'll like use like this one and then I'll like reference the value window and select it in like some cases. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, like right here, for instance. I do this and then I use selected times max path. So like I needed to not be in the scope. Yeah, see? I knew what I was doing right from the start. Totally. Okay, cool. So it shows like the message expand package, whatever. Though there is an issue here. It seems to be using a text expand package for the title too, which is weird because this clearly says installing package. But yeah, at the top it says expand package. Which is odd. Oh. No? Yeah, install title, draw text format, and then the text, whatever. Oh. That's why. Okay, so the UI will look correct, and then I just need to make code to decrypt the package, which is the hard part. Okay. Installing package, and then expand package. Okay, cool. That works. So now I need to, now the UI looks right. Oh, so this is like way too low down. I'm like high up. Okay, so now we've got install package, like expand package text, like this being correctly. Honestly, I'm gonna go menu H. I'm gonna pop this in menu H because I know I also use the same thing here. Yeah, I also use it at this tab. Okay, I'm gonna put that there so I can also use it here. Okay, so now I need to actually write code to decrypt packages. So pkg.c and pkg dot. Okay. Queued stdin.h, queued stdio.h, queued mess, I guess string.h. Well, f and def pkg h find pkg h1 and if. Okay. And now pkg dot c. So void decrypt package. Microsoft actually expands package chow file pkg file chow out folder and I guess that's it. And then I need to look at the code Princess sent me on how to actually do this. I think. Yup. Is there a VSO dump PSVO test kit firmware? Somewhere. Decrypt the pub. Use SCU tables and decrypt the pub. That's like the answer. It's kind of shit, but hey. Okay. They sent me at some point. Princess sent me code for decrypting packages. I'm gonna be yeeking all my messages right now. npm package main.c. Okay, yeah. So basic key. They sent me all this, which is honestly probably should be in Vito SDK. But yeah. This should honestly be in Vito SDK, but whatever. For now, I will just make a npdom like .h. Which have all this in it. If and def npdom h find npdom h1. And then end if npdom h. Okay, I don't need these. I just need like the type defs. Yeah. Okay. So include pdm.h. Okay. So now Yeah, now we will just create all of these. So, yeah. And then fd will be equal to opening the package, basically the package file plus SCO read only. We'll then read the pkg header, basically just copying this code princess wrote, and then do you know, I guess int plan package return res, right? So like print so instead of that, because you know I want to be able to stable logging. And then all of this, I guess, which is then for reading the actual package. Like all this is for reading the files in the package, I think. And then after all of it, it's just like honestly just copy like all this code. Copy all this code and see what it does, and then modify it for our needs. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, and then yeah, that ends that, and then that ends the function. So this will be like indented more. Print so print so yeah, essentially this but then like actually extract the package. Yeah, I think. But yeah, I actually have to go now. I have like an appointment with someone. So I'm gonna leave it at this for now. We can get to maybe later today or maybe tomorrow. I will do like more of this because I actually just realized I need to go. Yeah. Unfortunately, I have real life issues that need addressing first. So yeah, I'm sorry.